Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Lime how to use right pass. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To use a right pass with Lime, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Lime app. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is navigate to right passes. Then once you are inside here, what you need to do is browse the available right pass options. Then each pass includes details like number of free unlocks, including riding minutes and the duration of the pass. Then choose the pass that best suits your needs. Then follow the in-app prompts to complete the purchase. Then after purchasing, the benefits of your ride pass will apply to the rides that start after the purchase. Locate a Lime scooter or bike using the app, then scan the vehicle's QR code to unlock it and begin your ride. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.